here. Season's greetings, Kathy and Claude.
Oh, pretty nice.
It's okay.
You gotta rip off the paper.
To Daniel.
Turn it. Here's a starting point right there. Toss it at the back there. Just toss your paper at the back, bud. You gotta.
Toshiba. Office products. She got your paper. Oh, what's that?
Oh,
Toy Story color set.
whoa, coloring
like that.
activity book. Whoa,
Toy Story color set.
that is cool, buddy. Very nice.
Look, this is not just paper. What does this be?
Oh,
Oh.
new house slippers.
Yeah.
New house
Cool
slippers.
Crocs.
They're real Crocs too.
Whoa.
These are some stuff.
What is that? New underwear? Whoa,
Let's see.
handsome big guy underwear and socks.
Oh, look at that. Soccer balls and
That is
Doggies.
awesome, dude.
Let's open this one up.
Annie Kathy's a good shopper.
nice
Oh,
sweater. I was
is that
looking for the other day. Couldn't find one.
for you or for him? That is handsome. And pants to go.
I ripped that open.
That is one handsome outfit.
No more stuff in there.
Say thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Auntie-
Auntie Cassie
And Uncle Claude.
and Uncle Claude.
Say Merry Christmas from
Merry Christmas, Claude.
Merry Christmas from all of us.
Merry Christmas, all of us.
Say love you guys.
Love you guys.